Hello and welcome back to the Bond Valuation Excel spreadsheet. Right, so finishing up the output section, then calculate the bottom parts for two net present value sum tables and the two internal rate of return sum tables. And then that's it. That'll be officially be the end. And finally, nothing else to calculate after that. So continue to maturity. Number 2. Okay, current yields number 2. Okay, capital gains yields number 2. And effective annual rate equals effect. Okay, so let's go down here to net present value and internal rate of return equals. I don't have to calculate, I can show you another way. Go to this auto sum here, just click on the arrow. Here you can have min, max, count numbers, average. I'm going to click on sum. That's very good. Internal rate of return. Enter. 10% net present value. Hold on. Again. Auto sum button. Click sum. Just to save you the typing and the calculation, you can automatically do it for you. Okay, now the last one of all. The second internal rate of return. It's 4.71%. Okay, so let's go back and look at check the outputs. So very good. So 13 points is 10% for the effective annual rate. Let's go and check the discounted chart. Yeah, so that's how you do it. Again, as I said before, this requires data table sum that requires inside this chart. Cannot be undone and it cannot be replaced. So that's it for today. So thank you all for watching this. I hope you all stay safe, wash your hands, keep yourselves very warm, and I'll see you all very soon and have a good weekend. Adios.